Okay.
Hello! Hello, hello, hello! Tara na ulit, alamin po natin. Nandito po tayo sa Nans Lake Fishing and Camping. So, we've got 3 lakes, which is, the first one is up there. And then, the second one, this is the second lake. And then, we're gonna go to the first lake. Dito po marami daw fish. Next time, bibili pa tayo ng fishing rod, guys. And then we will come back next time kasama ang mga bagets, mga chikiting, para din naman maaliw-aliw sila. At para din dito sila mag-play. And then we're just gonna have family bonding again, quality time with the kids and the family. Yun po ang main na target natin tuwing day off. Quality time with the kids. So, ayan po yung lake. Maganda po siya. Marami po siya daw fish dyan. So, babalik ulit tayo next time. Pagkabili natin ng fishing rod. Kailangan pa natin mag-Amazon or mag-Temu ulit. Okay, so this is a very nice view, guys. Pa-mountain na po siya. Very peaceful, relaxing, at walang masyadong tao kasi patapos na po yung summer. Ayan, pa-autumn na po tayo. So, see you again later, guys. And the lake, beautiful lake. See? Bye. Have a nice day and God bless.